Remember that? We're so proud of you, okay? Are you guys ready? Okay, here it goes. I am going to call the top 3 teams in random order. When you hear your name, please step forward 3 steps, okay? Top 3, Taika 2. Top 3, Blazing Sapphire. The final team in the top 3, Silver Skies. Okay, are we ready? All right, so I am going to call the team that got 2nd place, and then I will call the team that got 3rd. The team that I do not call got 1st, okay? 2nd place in the Rising Star Division for the Milwaukee New Year 2020 is... Sorry, there's just a lot of side notes, so thank you for your patience. All right, they did just tell me, I just want to tell everyone real quick, because you guys did place, we do want the leader of the team to make a short speech. So just kind of think a little bit right now. Okay, that way it gives you guys some time to think. Okay, 2nd place, Blazing Sapphire. All right, 2 more teams left. Okay. All right, we are going to have Blazing Sapphire make a short speech real quick.
Blazing Sapphires wants to say thank you to the Milwaukee Dance Committee for throwing this wonderful Hmoob New Year. We want to thank all our supporters, especially our parents and our dance teacher, Lightsia. And congratulations to all the teams. Place or not, you guys did great.
Wow. Again, I'm so proud of you girls. Okay, next is 3rd place. If I do not call your name, you are the 1st place team. 3rd place goes to Taika 2. If we could just get back in line, I would like the 3rd place team to make a quick speech, okay? Where is Taika
2? We are Taika 2, and I would like to thank all the supporters and our parents for having us here today and for giving us the support that we need. You are the reason other years.
Thank you. All right. And next we will have Silver Skies give a quick speech. First place winner.
Hi, this is my group, Silver Skies, and I want to say thank you to them. I want to say thank you to the parents for supporting us and also helping do the outfits for us and also taking the time to take us to dance practices. I also want to say thank you, and I'm really thankful for our dance teacher, Mickey Bang. Our dance teacher, Mickey Bang, for always having her time to come and help us go to our dance practices and helping us make us such a better dancer. And so I want to say thank you to everybody, and good job every single team that did not place or did place. Everybody did a good job.
Okay, thank you so much. The reason why I called, I do want to share their scores as well, but I just wanted to call the places first just so that there wouldn't be any confusion. So, we'll start with Silver Skies. Their score was 372, okay? And as you all know, earlier today, Blazing Sapphire and Taikatsu tied at 366.5 points. All right, and the tiebreaker, Blazing Sapphire, when we rescored them the third time, this is just the tiebreaker score. I just want to clarify that. So they scored 173 points, okay? And Taikatsu scored 172.5. So again, amazing. You guys are all winners. This definitely shows you are all winners. So we are so proud of you. Okay. Okay, so first we're going to do a group picture with first, second, and third place winners. If you guys could please come up and form 3 lines here.